just make a stop, get some cheese patty and some tea. You see me? So I touch back on the road now. Peeps, you don't know, we just reaching a Senton. Down on the road and so I go on. So just past, just enter Senton. Going down White River. Catch you guys on the next stop.
Cut round so and come back round and get you out. You have my arrival, don't I say no? It's a lie. Sugars. Jesus. The people still have to down here, so our arrival there we are down here, so. Say up the side of the part and then
Yes, yes, you buy something. Peep, so we just reached the destination, you see me? Montego Bay. You see me? So you don't know, just wait to get everything sorted out and then we're gonna leave and wherever the day take us from there so I can go on. So that I'm free right now. So we drop off, we drop off, and I don't know we are going just sort out while to sort out and wherever they take us from there, you guys also are going. You see me, I didn't do much recording on the way, you see me, but I don't know, while going back and so forth, I'll record that and give you guys an insight of what's going on, you see me. So stay tuned people. I don't know the I think it's Songsters International Airport. Yeah, so they're here now, about to leave. We drop off the person already, so we're about to leave now and head back to Portland. But we are going to town, get some food. plaza, you see me? About to get some food and stuff, you see me guys? So I'll show you guys some stuff for the plaza. But you know what's called Flawless Attitude. You see me? It's a really nice place, as you guys can see. We're here right now. You see me? So it's a really nice place. Them sell clothes, we have a nail salon, barber shop, all sorts of stuff, you see me guys? So yeah, I'm about to get some food soon, you see me? So just keep on watching. Eh? Yeah. Elevator time, you know?
Come here. Elevator. Fuck this down with it.
Yeah, peeps, I don't know. We get food, you know. Some KFC, guys. This is my son. Get some KFC and we're going to consume that. And then we're going to hit the road after. You see me? Yeah, man, so. Trust me, KFC tastes really nice. Amazing. So if I eat some KFC now and head back to Portland, people, we have like a 4-hour drive. You see it, so. We'll just finish up now and then we touch the road. We're gonna look on fish. Peeps, so we're gonna look on some fish. I don't know what kind of fish yet. Let's how deal with that. Let's go. Hey, see what going on? First, so we're at G West Medical Center. And what is out here? Nothing, wasteland.
Alright, I will watch. 10 million at US.
Alright people, so we went to G West West Center to get some shots of some fish, but it seems like them take them out and clean the pan or something. So we never get that, so we're back at this plaza. I don't know, I get everything sorted out. I don't know, so yeah, we'll cut you know. And we guys, so catch you guys on the road. Yeah guys, so I don't know, we hit the road. And we got the gas station, I pick up some gas and head back home. You see me guys, I will just touch the road now, you see me, so we'll see if we can take the time and go in. You see me? So that's the pre right now guys. Alright peeps, so see there, we have traffic guys, Jaja. It's a traffic we go through right now. I don't know anything though. But thankfully the traffic is on my side, so we can get to go through. You see it? So that's the best thing right now. So see there, we're going to the Montego Bay town, and right now we are head back through the roundabout. You see me? We go back to Portland side, you see me? You guys have some crazy drive up on the road, you see me? You have to don't forget get around them. Yes people, Montego Bay. Alright peeps, you don't know, we're going to get some gas now people with that total gas station. I think like $2.49 per litre. We can go get some 87. I mean 90.
Yeah, sitting there. Phone there.
buy some gas, isn't it? 4,090. I think it's $250 basically per liter for the 90. Isn't it? So I go buy 4,090 and that's supposed to can bring it back home. So yeah, just a wait for my turn. This is what the Eagle is saying right now. So when I put in the 4,000, let's see where it all go. 4,090. 4,000. Alright. Look at so much liter where I get for $4,000, guys. Guys, we get 16 liter for $4,000. Alright, thanks. Yeah, it's true on this. Guys, we get 16 liter for the 4,000. Yep. So you don't know. Step on the road again. Yeah, people, so you don't know reach Duns River, guys, and you don't know night up on us. You see me? Up night. See it? So right now we just have to take the time actually to go in, guys. See it, guys? I don't know. Try reach in, see if we just have to take the time. Yeah. So we reach Duns River, guys. We have maybe like 100 more miles or more, I think, or kilometers. I'm not even sure. To get to Port Antonio, so we have a far way to go. Yeah. So catch you guys whenever I reach Port Antonio. I'll update you guys. Hey guys, so reach back Portland now, you see me? You guys might can't see me well. Return back the car and stuff. See it, so I don't know where I head home back now, people. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Remember to give the video a big thumbs up, share up the video, guys, share up the channel. You see me? And keep watching. Stay tuned, people, until my next upload. See you guys then.